Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Alright, go sit. Let me make sure I can see you. Are you focused? Focus. Pay attention. Okay. Yeah, we're good. Alright, I take one.
Back for another brand new episode of Bishop's Move here on WSI TV. I'm Jordan Bishop.
Sorry. We'll try again. Oh, do you want to start from the beginning?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. I was waiting for you to go. Oh, no. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to WSI TV. Today we are doing another episode of Informer Spotlight. I am Tayler Klinkbiel and I am joined by Lea Warren. How are you doing, Lea?
I'm doing great. How are you, Taylor?
I'm very good. I'm very excited to hear about this episode that you provided for us today.
Oh, wait.
I did. Where did it go?
Job. I did turn it on.
Curtain is so crooked.
I thought it'd be more than that, to be honest, but still a good chunk.
It's a big number when you consider how many we're serving. If you think about that 7.1 or 71.5 billion. Sorry.
You're fine. I feel like I feel like I just didn't have any input there. I just sort of left you hanging, but
No, you're good. I got it. I just can't speak.
Yeah.
Okay. When you think about the 7.1 or 71.5 billion. 71.5, 71.5, 71.5, 71.5, 71.5, 71.5.
Similar services like that are delivering food and gifts this time of year for people that hire holiday direct decorative people.
Cut. You can start at Amazon, I think.
Yes.
That's where you were at. So let's just go ahead and get into a little bit what we're going to talk about today.
Yeah, so this isn't our normal episode. Usually we would bring you an insider. I always say insider.
You always say
exposed.
insider too.
Okay, sorry.
Welcome in. We're going to talk today about how to make money by doing absolutely nothing.
Yes.
So I'm joined by Tayler Klinkbiel today, and I'm Lea Warren. And let's just go ahead and get right into things. So the first method of passive income that we have for you. Oh, I just fucked up. Sorry.
green is like killing me, like too, like the.
I didn't think it would be that bad.
Hey,
It
look,
was
can
just the preset.
Do you mind if I see the screen? Like,
Yeah,
the
if you want to
settings?
adjust the screen, it's not nearly like if you look on my computer, it's perfectly fine to read on there.
Do that?
No, I'm just.
Banging on the door out there. I was like,
Were you?
5, I just can't
You can't say it.
cut.
can I just stand here?
Yeah.
Please don't.
You look like a serial killer.
I'll never get through this episode.
I think I could do it.
Could you? Because last time you almost laughed.
Yeah, but then he did it again with when I was doing that episode with Taylor, and somehow I held it in.
Okay.
So I think I'm getting better at it.
So in fact, 12% of new members join in January each year. So that's really relevant to where we're at right now.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Sorry. I can't like script it like that. I just messed myself up.
This is going to be a hard
This is a good one. Yeah, it's going to be a good one.
Okay.
Today is not the day. Okay. Hold on. Okay. It's crooked?
Not the curtain. Like,
Oh. Yeah, we gotta fix. Oh, it's like. Oh.
mhm.
Okay. I didn't realize.
Okay.
No, it was my hand. It's okay.
It'll probably just be whatever I remember from that. But yeah, I thought that maybe you could do these two since you wrote that section. But I read it and like cut it down. But I threw this in there to be like, don't just invest in weird things. You also still need those traditional ones.
I bought wine. My retirement is done.
Like, I'm better just winging it than like I think like I shouldn't have said that I'm gonna say that because that just ruins me.
Okay. Do you want me to skip it? What do you want me to do?
I don't know. All right, just wherever you feel comfortable.
Okay. So as of January, it's actually a really important month for gym memberships because 12% of new members join in January each year, which is a much higher percentage from other months of the year.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We're both a mess. Do you want to start over?
Yeah. I think that's what I'm missing, like the whole roll into it and just like talking like nonsense, like I know anything about
also,
anything.
do you want control of this or do you want me to have control of this?
It is throwing me off a little bit just because I'm what I'm used to. But are you more comfortable with it?
I
Sure.
just had it in my hand. So
Okay.
I started going.
Just let me know if it's all good. Just let me know if I pause too long on something, or I mean, I guess just like while you're talking, if you tap the table, just smack the table, yeah. All right. I don't know. I'm just thinking about it now. It's so stupid.
Do I need to delete that?
This is like basically how every single episode went when I first started. Like just me. I don't know why. Like I get in my head, and then I just like I don't know. Yeah. All right. We're good. We're good. Welcome back to another brand new episode of. I don't know what it is. It's not even funny.
Sorry.
I just feel like you're waiting for me to laugh now. Like it's just.
Actually, that time I was trying not to laugh.
Really?
So.
Yeah. All right. This is it. This is the one. Welcome back to another brand new episode of Bishop's Move here on WSI TV. I'm Jordan Bishop, and I'm joined. What the hell? I don't get it.
Do we need to walk away from it?
Yeah. I just pictured myself turning to you and just cracking up because
That is our goal for you. So
Yeah. So we will see you eventually. I almost did it.
you almost had it.
We were almost there. I'm so sorry.
How do we sign off on this?
I don't know. I just kept talking because I was like, I don't know how to end. So I think that's about everything that we have. Tayler, thank you so much. And thank you guys for joining us. Okay.
That's enough of that.
That was definitely 25 minutes.
It felt like it.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.
And that's all. That's all she wrote, folks.